to make it a long flight. I'm not sure how big a tank it's got. Try speed.
Okay. Right, don't go too high because you've got a Cat-10 over top of you.
I won't then. I'll land, mate.
Okay.
Probably not more far.
Am I alright still where I am? Yeah. That's a big one, Stephen. Yeah, he's just come in for a landing. Oh, magic. Tea, please. It's a nice 3-point landing there, David.
Yeah. Good.
West Radio, good afternoon. Golf Bravo, Echo with the X-ray. Request radio check, taxi for VFR flight to Great Oakley. 2 POV, London Main Golf. The X-ray range strength 5, Canada in use, 1016 on the
Yeah.
Frank, I was just going to say that's really nice. It flies beautifully. So I think you've got all your workings out just spot on there. Flies quite heavy in here, feels heavy, but predictable, smooth as you can see, and yeah, good job. Nice model.